So hello guys, Namaskar and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika and today in this video we'll be doing a teaser of BK Prayagraj, which is located near Nimbalkar Nagar, Tathavde, Pune and developed by BK Kaushik Groups. And in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before getting into details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly with the developer. So book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट ओवरव्यू के बारे में. तो BK Prayagraj will be constructed on 0.78 acres of land parcel consisting of one tower, and tower will be having 2 basement plus ground plus 16 floors with 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के सराउंडिंग और कनेक्टिविटी की. तो आप देख सकते हैं मैं एक्चुअल लोकेशन पे खड़ी हूँ ऑफ द लैंड पार्सल. अब मेरे इन फ्रंट देख सकते हैं ये रहेगा इसका लैंड पार्सल. And now coming to the location part of the project is just located near Ashok Nagar Road, Katevasti, Tathavde, Pune, and you can also connect Mumbai-Bangalore Highway within 650 meters and Phoenix Mall within 3.5 km, Bumkar Chowk within 2.5 km also. Coming to the amenities part of the project, BK Prayagraj project has 15 plus luxurious amenities like swimming pool, multi-purpose hall, gazebo, senior sit-up area and more. And now moving forward to the carpet areas of the project, BK Prayagraj has 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences and 2 BHK starting from 764 to 785 square feet and 3 BHK starting from 948 to 1047 square feet carpet area. Now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Our token windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain you the complete project along with the 3D model. We'll share you the payments and pricing schemes along with the location tour of the project. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the token process. So everyone, this was the project teaser of BK Prayagraj, which is located near Nimbalkar Nagar, Tathavde, Pune and developed by BK Kaushik Groups. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो डू लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एंड फॉर मोर सच वीडियोस क्लिक ऑन द गिवन बिलो लिंक and do like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.